Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. And today, you might be surprised, but we're talking about coffee. Now, I say you might be surprised because if you know me, if you listen to my podcast, if you especially watch my Saturday extra bites and behind the scenes, I probably said a couple times I'm not a coffee drinker. I really drink tea and I don't really like coffee. For me, coffee is very overpowering. I love the smell of it, like smelling coffee is like one of my favorite things. I can sit in a coffee shop, Starbucks the whole day and work and be comfortable. And like, I love the smell of it, but the taste of it is just like, I don't really like it. So you're probably thinking, well, why are you talking about coffee? It's because I do love cooking with coffee in certain ways. So if you like a good dry rub, I've already talked about what steak cuts I like. This is New York strip. I love the New York strip. But also if you're doing bigger pieces of cut. So let's say you're doing a whole strip loin or even a whole tenderloin. I really like using coffee as part of my dry rub. It also works really good with pork as well. So one of the things I do is I'll put coffee with cocoa powder and like that coffee and that chocolate. And now I can take it to spice if I want. So coffee, cocoa powder, cayenne pepper as like the base. And then I'll add in a lot of other herbs, so like some dry thyme and also smoked paprika because you're going to be grilling it or smoking it. Garlic powder, of course, onion powder, a little bit of cumin. It's such a good combination. And then the thing is that once it cooks, it actually changes the flavor profile of the coffee. So it's not just like coffee, coffee, coffee. And I enjoy it. So I really like that kind of component. So I will use coffee in my dry rubs a good amount of time. Now, if I'm doing it in a dry rub for an individual piece, I usually use a little less. Of course, I pull back because I don't like the coffee flavor as much, and it will give you more flavor because now you're just directly putting on both sides of your steak. That's why I want to talk about the individual versus the big pieces. With the big pieces, you can put on a good amount because once you cut inside, like you have all this crust around the outside, but the inside you still have the actual flavor of the steak. With this one, it's kind of opposite. You have so much crust and then you have a small amount of inside that you're going to be cutting it down. So only use the amount, of course, with anything that you're comfortable with. But I would like to say, if you're a coffee drinker, easy concept. You're just like, oh, I got coffee. I always have a little extra coffee. I throw it in my dry rub next time. And if you're not a coffee drinker, get a little small amount of coffee every now and then, like add it into your already dry rub that you use for your pork or your beef, and see how you like it. Because I think it will surprise you, especially if you're going on the smoker or on the grill. It's really great. So this is my ode to coffee because I know I don't drink it a lot, but I will eat it in different ways. So try it out. Let me know what you think and come back and let me know. All right, I'll see you next time. Don't forget to do all the things like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Have a good day.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.